Hi, this is Nicole from Planning Dreams. Thank you for downloading our sticker kits. We really appreciate it. If you enjoy them, we ask that you please leave a review on Etsy. I'm going to show you what happens when you get your files here if you want to cut with Cricut. So you're just going to open up your customer files, go to your Cricut folder, select the items you'd like to download, and then right click, download. I've already put mine over here. You could probably drag and drop as well. So once we've got those files on your desktop or wherever you'd like to download them, you want to come into Cricut Design Space and you're going to open a new project. From here, you're going to select Upload and you're going to upload your image. We are going to start with, I'm going to show you first how to open these JPEG files. That would be the ombre checklist and the icons pages in your kits. Because of the way Design Space handles files, they have to be handled just a tiny bit differently. So I'm going to show you that first. Just bring it over, drag and drop it. You want to select Complex Image and Continue. And this has a solid white background, so we need to remove that so it'll cut out just these stickers rather than the outside edge of the page. So the magic wand needs to be selected and we're going to click once in this white margin. Give it just a second. And that checkered background shows us that it is now a transparent image, which is what you want. Click Apply and Continue. And that cut looks good there, so we're just going to print then cut image and upload. Now, when this goes into Design Space, for some reason it's going to be very large. And I'll show you what I mean in just a second. Sorry for the lag there. Sometimes it takes a while for Cricut to do its thing. Now, once those files have been uploaded, you just select the one that you'd like. We're going to deselect that one. Select the one you'd like and add it to your canvas. Yeah, so you see here it's very big when it opens up in Design Space. So you want to make sure that this padlock is in the locked position. If it looks like this, just click it once and it'll go back to locked. And we're going to change the width to 6.25 and hit enter. And that will also change the height. So this should fit a 7 by 9 Erin Condren size planner, or it's good for bullet journals or whatever you'd like as well. That looks good. We'll make it. This also looks good. If at this point you're prompted to calibrate your machine, your Cricut machine that is, I would suggest doing that. I calibrate mine before I cut a bunch of stickers all at one time. And even after maybe 20 pages of stickers, I would recalibrate just to make sure you're getting the most accurate cuts and not wasting a bunch of paper. So this looks good. We're going to go to Continue. From here, you're going to send it to printer. On this screen, you want to turn off the bleed. Make sure your printer's selected. And then I like to use the system dialog, which just means I can choose my printer settings. Now, for whatever reason, it pops up behind this window, so you'll see this and you'll be like, oh, nothing's happening. Just minimize this window or move it down and oh, there it is. You want to make sure you're printing at in color for one, if that's your decision, but that you're printing at 100% actual size. If any of those settings are not correct, this won't be correct. So we'll hit print. I've already printed mine, so I'm going to hit cancel. And then as far as your base material goes, depending on the type of sticker paper that you're using, you could potentially use this printable sticker white. You can browse in all materials and find it. Just type stickers here and a bunch of things will come up. For the kind of paper I'm using, I have found that washi sheet works the best for just a kiss cut sticker where the page is still intact, but the sticker itself will be the only thing that peels away. You may have to try a few different ones before you find one that works. Don't get discouraged. That's just the name of the game with Cricut. All right, so load it onto your mat and start cutting away. And that's all you need. If you have any problems, please feel free to reach out to me on Etsy. I'll try to answer and help in any way that I can if I am able. Thank you so much and have a great time planning.